I want to teach you guys how to drive an automatic car. I learned with automatic car. It's easy to learn how to drive a car with automatic car. An automatic car is easy to drive. You don't change the gear. So this is they have different kinds of gearbox anyway with automatic. So mine is different, where the other type will tell you D for drive, P for parking, N for neutral, blah, blah, blah. But in my own case, it just give you reverse, arrow, it give you plus, it give you E, it give you AM, it give you minus. Then if I want to drive, I just go, I match my brake. That is the brake there. Yeah. I match my brake down. Before you start any car, whether automatic or not, you have to match your brake down. Yeah. When you match the brake down before you turn on the car. Yeah. That is my car key. Then I turn on the car here. Yeah. Then the car will start. When the car starts, then you put it on you push it to here, where it will show you at the dashboard. It's automatic one. Yeah. So let me start it so you see what you see. It's starting now. It's on auto 2. So I will put it on automatic there. Then it will show you on automatic 1. Can you see? It's on automatic 1 now. Okay, guys. These are just the interior of my car. That is the seat. I bought this extra just to support my back. This is nice. Comfy. Make the chair comfy. This is the real chair, but you got to buy like chair cushion. Then put the mat on your car. Then this is where I put my car key or house key, or this is where I hang my phone. You just stamp your phone in there. And that is the back of the car. So when I open the door and I come out. So this one didn't come with the car. I bought it from Amazon. Door C window to protect dirt from going into the door, you know, to your door C. In here, it's got the radio, got everything to operate. It tells you here is to wind down your windows, left and right. Yeah. Here, if you want to put AC or you want to put heater during cold time, it will show you. You want to increase the temperature, increase it. Then we come here. This is the steering. Yeah. And that is the dashboard. And that is where you put on your wiper. It shows you different, where to click to put on the wiper, your headlights, your trafficator, traffic gate. Want to traffic gate, you put on this is where you put your trafficator, right, left or right. If you are traffic gating, yeah, you want to go clean you want to put on your headlights at night, that is it, and so on and so forth. Yeah, guys, it's a Fiat car. It's for ladies. I love Fiat car. It's smallish, it's portable, it's economical, it's fuel efficient as well. The handbrake. Okay, so when I put on the car on, mash the leg brake first on the car. Then you put your car to drive because it's automatic. Then you put down this handbrake. You press here and put it down. When you want to stop, you put your car on neutral. Put on the handbrake. Click it up. It's up now. Okay, that's the handbrake. That's my drinking container. Car, back of the car. Okay, the back seat. That's me in the car. Safe drive. Okay, guys, and thank you for watching. Stay blessed and bye.